Hey, did you know that nearly 1 in 8 drivers is driving without insurance? Car insurance can be confusing, frustrating, and let's be honest, expensive. But what if I told you there are a few steps that you could take that would save you a lot of money and a lot of trouble? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how to get the best coverage without breaking the bank. Hey, my name is Jimmy, and we're talking about something every driver needs, but few people actually understand: car insurance. We're going to break it down in plain English, expose the common traps, and by the end of the video, you'll know how to get the best deal for your particular situation. Sound good to you? Let's get into it. All right, so here's the problem. Most people are paying too much for coverage they don't need, or they cut costs and end up underinsured. Let's be honest, nobody reads those 100-page policies, right? But that's exactly how the insurance company makes their money. They count on you not knowing the details. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes that drivers make when buying insurance. Number 1, paying for coverage you don't need. Some policies include extras that sound great but rarely get used, like a death indemnity. The death indemnity only pays if you're killed in a car accident, which is very unlikely to happen. And you can cover that with regular life insurance that'll cover you no matter where you are when you die. Number 2, choosing the cheapest option without reading the fine print. Cheap insurance looks good up front until you file a claim and realize you're only covered for the price of a cup of coffee. Number 3, not shopping around. Most people stick with the same company for years, not realizing that there are probably better rates out there. Insurance companies count on you not switching. It makes them more money. So how do you fix this? Let's talk about it. Step 1, know what coverages you actually need. Now, at the very least, you're going to need liability insurance. If you're driving a car, the state requires that. That covers you in case you injure somebody or you damage their property. But depending on what year car you have, what make and model, you might want to consider having collision and comprehensive. Those are the insurance that cover you. Whereas if you have an older car, it might be better to just drop collision and comprehensive altogether. Number 2, raise your deductible. When you raise your deductible, you're taking on more risk, so the insurance company gives you a little bit of a price break. The higher the deductible, the lower your monthly payment. Just make sure that you have enough money tucked away in savings, so that way, if you need to use it, you can. Compare rates every year, and the best way to do that is to go to an independent insurance agency, because they're going to have access to a lot of different insurance companies. They can compare rates in-house, and you don't have to go and spend hours and hours online or on the phone. They do the work for you. Bonus tip, look for discounts. Ask for discounts. If you have a clean driving record, or you bundle your home and renter's insurance, or just even signing up for automatic payments, you could get a discount. Super hack. Telematics. Insurance companies are giving big discounts for telematics. All that is you download an app to your phone. For about the first 30 or 60 days, they monitor how you drive, and you either get a discount or you don't. Most people will get at least a 5% discount. Some people can get up to 30% discount.
30%. Wow.
They're not tracking your activities. They just want to see how you drive. So why does this matter to you? Look, insurance is one of those things you have to pay for, but you shouldn't be overpaying. By following these steps, you can protect yourself without draining your bank account. Remember, best insurance policy isn't always the cheapest one. It's actually the one that protects you when you need it. So what should you do next? Number 1, check your current policy and see if you're paying for things you don't actually need. If you don't understand what they are, give us a call. We'll explain them to you. Number 2, get quotes. Again, call an independent insurance agency and ask them to go out and shop your business with as many carriers as they have. Here at TWFG, we do that every day, and we'd be happy to help you. And if you would, drop a comment below if you have questions or need help understanding your coverage. I'll personally reply to as many as I can. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and click on the bell so that way you'll get notifications when we post new content. Drive safe, stay covered, and I'll see you in the next video.